Welcome back to Express.com. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a brake cartridge on the new SawStop compact table saw. Now here is a side-by-side of the damaged used cartridge and the brand new cartridge. As you can see, the electronics and that heavy-duty spring will save a finger. Now first you're going to want to turn off and unplug your saw. Then you're going to go ahead and release the latch for the cartridge door. Now you're going to want to rotate the blade down all the way until you hear it click. Then you're going to raise the blade all the way up. Now that you can see the brake cartridge on the side, you're going to want to go ahead and turn this little piece to the right and then pull it straight out. Now go ahead and loosen the saw blade nut and take it off. Now grabbing the brake cartridge and the saw blade, you could pull towards you from the right-hand side of the saw. I like to use the wrench on the outside of the saw blade to give a little more force and to keep my fingers from getting cut on the blade. Now you're going to want to reverse this process for the most part by starting with installing the new brake cartridge. And as long as these 2 points right here, the electronic port, which reminds me of a Nintendo, and this other hole line up, push it straight in, put the key back, turn it to the left till it's locked, and go ahead and install your new blade. Now, as for the brake cartridges, good news is post 2008, all of the 10-inch cartridges for standard blades like the one we have here will work for this compact saw as well. So if you have a whole SawStop family of 10-inch saws, guess what? One brake cartridge for all of them.